So in this quadratic equations, so some of the questions like in this form, okay, square root of ax plus b is equal to cx plus d. So this is the square root. So if any equation is in this form, like ax plus b is equals to cx plus d. So if any question is like this format, how to solve the solutions and how to get the roots. Let me take one example and explain you. So for example, solve. So only in this type of format only we can do in this method, right? For example, solve square root of 2x plus 7 is equals to x plus 2. Okay. Now under square root there should be positive value and square root of any value should be positive. That is important. So like these questions, whenever you get the problem, okay. So if you see here, so from this if you observe, ax plus b should be greater than or equal to 0. There is one condition. And cx plus d also is must be greater than or equal to 0. So our square root of the number we will not get negative, and under square root there should be negative. There should not be any negative numbers. So like means if any apart from these values we can call some extraneous values that will be omitted. So first let us solve how to do, and after getting two answers, so to get the exact answers among them. So let us take. Now if any question is in this format, let's do the squaring on both sides. Okay, if we take this is equation 1, so squaring on, because we need to remove the square root, that's why squaring on both sides. So when you take the both the sides, so square root of 2x plus 7 whole square is equals to x plus 2 whole square. Here you can cancel square and square root. 2x plus 7 is equals to x plus 2 whole square formula, that is a plus b whole square formula. So x square plus 4, because 2 square is 4, plus 2ab, 2 into x into 2, so 4x. Take the terms one side, everything. So these two also I took other side. Then x square plus 4 plus 4x minus 2x minus 7. If interchange, change the sign. Okay, in general form this is x square plus 2x plus 4 minus 7 is minus 3 is equals to 0. Right? Now this is the general form of quadratic equation. We'll get the two answers, but among the two, how to test it, how to check exactly correct answer is important. This type of questions. Okay, now same like a factorization method if you apply. So minus 3 is a constant. So minus 3 we need. So you can plus 2 is 3 and 1. So 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Right? So then normal factorization you can apply. X square plus 3x minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then x common, x plus 3 minus 1 common, x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then we got x plus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. By using a zero product rule, we'll get other values. Two values, x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. From this, x is equals to minus 3 or x is equals to 1. But these are the both answers, but among we need to verify is exactly which is correct in this, because some of the answers we need to extraneous values we need to remove. So test x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 1, both values will substitute in the question and will verify. Okay, let me do here. So checking, this is must. So when the problems are like this, okay, the first one, when x is equals to, so we got two answers, right? One is minus 3 and one is 1. So first minus 3 will substitute in this equation 1. So that is square root of 2x plus 7. So 2 into minus 3 plus 7 is equals to minus 3 plus 2. So square root of 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus 7. 3 minus 2 is minus 1. Root 6 plus square root of minus 6 plus 7 is 1. That is minus 1. So square root of 1 is 1 minus 1. So what 1 is not equals to minus 1. That means, so x is equal to minus 3 does not satisfy equation 1, so it's rejected. So x is equals to minus 3 is rejected. So these we can call them as extraneous values, so which we can remove, which values are rejected, right? Now next one, uh, x is equals to 1. Let us substitute this now. Okay, and same, that is again putting x is equals to 1 in equation 1. So equation 1 is same, square root of, observe that this is 2x plus 7 is equal to x plus 2. 2x plus 7 is equal to x plus 2. Now let us substitute this x is equal to 1 in this. So square root of 2 into 1 plus 7 is equals to 1 plus 2. Square root of 2 plus 7 is equal to 3. Square root of 2 plus 7 is root 9, that is equal to 3. Root 9 is 3 in this. So 3 is equal to 3. Right? LHS is equal to RHS. So x is equals to 1 is satisfying equation 1. So that is satisfies equation 1. That means here is a solution set. So hence we got 2, but solution set is only 1 among these 2. So that is equals to only 1. Okay, not minus 3. Right? This is compulsory in this method, you should remember. So once you get the values, you don't stop the problem. So if any question in this order, so one side is square root and one side there is no square root. So by checking we need to confirm. So which is extraneous value that we should reject it, right? So this method you can follow. So whenever the equations of the form in this root ax plus b is equal to cx plus d type, right? And if another type of method, not only this, so another type of method also how to solve, I'll show one more problem now.